Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Markia, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be trying a brand new style. It's not too new. It's definitely going to be braids. And if you read the title, then you already know what I'm going to do. But I've never done this on my hair before, and I don't know how it's going to turn out, how it's going to look, if it's going to look good, or if my method is going to really necessarily work with this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the person who I seen on YouTube, I wanted to do 4 big jumbo braids in my hair, mainly because I didn't feel like doing a bunch of knotless braids, mainly because of that reason. So I was looking up some tutorials or whatever. I knew how I was gonna do it, but I just wanted to see how other people on YouTube did it. So I found this one girl. I'll link her video somewhere around here or up there, whatever, and show you guys her video. She has a looser texture curl pattern than me, like much looser, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it on my hair, but you know, do it my own twang, and I guess do it for my hair or for type 4 hair, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. I already pre-parted my hair. It's in 4 big sections, but what I'm going to do, because I do want a side part, I'm going to make it a side part, like slanted. So let's do the thing. Okay, I'm back. What I did was moisturize everything, put it up in a neater little ponytail, and braided everything. Okay, my braids are actually a lot longer than this, but because of shrinkage, y'all can't really see it, so my hair being modest and whatnot. Yeah, so what I'm about to do is go ahead and take these braids down. Well, take a braid down, and then I'm just gonna do the feed in method and feed the hair into my braid and make it look a little bit more natural. I won't be wrapping it around because you know, I'm cool like that. I don't gotta do all that. And yeah, I'm waiting for that. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. Also, the hair I'm using is Expressions pre-stretched hair, whatever it's called. It's Expressions, long as hell. And I'm using the hair from my knotless braids video that I kept. Y'all, I told y'all I keep my hair and I just reuse it. I reuse it until I can't use it no more, and I just throw it away. But yeah, I'm about to use that hair. This was like, I think, the last hair in the pack that I didn't get to use, so I'm gonna start with this hair. And yeah, that's that. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I just did all of these and whatnot. I'm about to do this braid, but before I do this braid, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Now, I do like the size that these are at, but I'm like, maybe it can be a little bigger. So I'm going to try and make this one a little bigger and see how I like it. If I like it, I'm going to change all of these to make them bigger. If not, I'll just take this one back down, make it a little smaller, and yeah. So this is the feed-in method. The feed-in method, honestly, to me personally, is the easiest method for braiding hair. So what I do is I got my sections. I cross over. I'm about to start braiding. But before I start braiding, I'm going to add this piece of hair into my finger, in between my fingers, my index finger and my middle finger. Pull it with my other piece of hair and wrap it around or twist it around, and boom. I only grab with these fingers though. I'm not that advanced to go from side to side. Every now and then I can go side to side, but I can't really do that. So I'm going to do the same thing. Index finger, middle finger, put a piece of hair in between those two, separate it and add this piece of hair on it, and then twist or wrap, you know how you braid, boom. And then I'm just going to add some more hair. I'm going to add some more hair. This one already feels like bigger. So we're going to see how this one turns out and see if I like this one better. Oh, fuck. Sorry, y'all. See if I like this one better than the other. Okay. Ooh, sorry. Okay, so this is the difference. This is the skinnier side. This is the bigger side. I didn't make the back bigger, but like the bigger braid up here. I'm confused. I don't know which side I'm going to. I don't know. So the thing with the feed-in method, if you want it big, you just add more hair in the hair that you're feeding in. If you want it small, you just add less hair, you know. So I'm honestly stuck between a rock and a hard place at what to do. I might just leave it like this for, I don't know, a little bit, and then see what I feel like doing and changing it later. But other than that, let me go ahead and I want to add baby hairs. So I mean, I'm not gonna add anything crazy. I don't too much care for crazy baby hair, but I'm gonna add a little swoop or something, a little swoop and a little side. I don't necessarily like those scoops personally, but I'm gonna do a little something to my hair, and yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come right back. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I did not make the back bigger. I will make the back bigger, just not today. I'm tired. But this is the final result. I did something like nothing, you know, too crazy. I just want the swoop up in there, and then I did a little sideburns about gone away now, but whatever. Y'all get the picture. Y'all get the picture. So what I would do after this is I would dip it. Now y'all can dip it, add barrettes on the ends, add beads on the ends. I'm too old for that. Okay, if it was like a little wooden action like Alicia Keys, dun 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 dun, maybe, but no, I'm just gonna dip my ends and just wear like this because I think it's cute. I think I look good. I would definitely wear this going out. I put on a little LBD, a little heel action, and then boom, it's a look, it's a look, it's a look. But yeah, this is how I do my 4 jumbo knotless braids. I mean, I can take these hair bows out and it will definitely be knotless, but you know, whatever. So yeah, if y'all like videos like this, or y'all like when I do these little cute styles, make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button to let me know. Also, comment down in the comment section below if you've downloaded my length retention book. And I'll see y'all in my next video. My phone is blowing up.